y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing something a little bit different. We are just changing up our wallpaper because, as you know, I'm doing Vlogmas, so I'm looking at my wallpaper a lot. So I just kind of wanted to be more inspiring, a little bit more motivating, since I am looking at my computer screen a lot these days. So this is what we're going to do. I picked this up from Julia K Crist. It's one of her old videos. I'm still link it down below. So if you guys really want to see like a really good like version of it, I will link it down below for you guys. So I'm just going to go to Canva. I already have an account with Canva because I did this once before, and I use Canva for anything that I don't use my phone for. And I use my phone for practically everything, but you know, this is what I use it for. So with Canva, if you're not aware, it's pretty much just an app where you can make stories, you can do flyers, you can pretty much do anything, create whatever you want. It does have a subscription, but I don't pay for the subscription because one, I have too many subscriptions as it is, and two, I just don't find it necessary. I just use it for one specific thing. And as you can see, that's just a few things that I've used it for. Um, so yeah, those are some things that I like worked on. And that, if I'm going to click on that one, that is actually what my iPhone lock screen looks like at the moment. So yeah, I made that for my lock screen almost a year ago now, actually. And yeah, I like it a lot. So there's like 2 pages because I forgot to rotate it. So I had to rotate it, like make it again and rotate it. But anyway, now we're going to start. So now we're just going to go to personal, and then they actually have like a template for a desktop wallpaper. So I just clicked on that one. And if they don't, you can click on that, or you can do your own dimensions as well, depending on what kind of computer you have. So they already give you like a default of a whole bunch of different wallpapers that you can use and create. And just like, if you just want like a base to start off of, you can do it like that. But I'm just going to start mine from scratch. So I'm just going to go to Pinterest, and I am just going to grab a whole bunch of pictures form from there. So also, if you guys want to follow me on Pinterest, by all means follow me. That is my name, is going to be my actual name on Pinterest. Yeah, and these are all the pins that I have. So if you want to follow me, feel free. I'm not really on Pinterest that much. I don't really use that as like a social media app. I just pretty much use that as like a mood board, if you will. So yeah, I'm gonna go to wallpapers. And this is where I keep all of my pictures that are just like aesthetically pleasing, just really moody, something that I like. So I'm just looking through there, something that I know that I'm going to start it with. And yeah, so once I find one that I like, I'm just going to copy that image, and then we are going to paste it. But with Canva, you can't just copy and paste. You have to use the keyboard shortcuts, which they show you right there. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to do a keyboard shortcut. And there you go. The picture just pops up. That way it saves you memory and so on and so forth, so you don't have to download anything, save anything, and then take up a whole bunch of memory. Because you guys know me, I do not like wasting memory. So this is me just figuring out how big I want the picture to be, kind of cropping it, seeing like what I want it to be, like what I want in the picture and what I don't want in the picture. I had the YouTube in the center because this is, like I said, this is going to be motivational wise. But as you see, I'm going to delete YouTube and I'm going to move it somewhere else because I kind of didn't want it in the center like that. I decided, oh, sorry guys, I'm yawning. I decided against it. So yeah, now I am just going to move this around, see, I'm just kind of trying to map out what I want. Um, Now I'm just going to go and find a quote, I think. Yeah, I'm going to look for a quote to put in the middle, because that's what I think I realized, that I wanted like a quote in the middle. Um, so that's what I'm doing right here. And now we're just going to get into like the nitty gritty, where I'm just not posting, but just figuring out what I want, and all the colors to coordinate. So now I'm looking for one more thing to kind of help as a guide, to help me stay on the color wheel that I'm on. I don't know. That didn't make any sense. But yeah, I'm going to go with these like nude rose petals right here, and those are super cute. Um so yeah, I'm going to do that. And as you can see, I'm just going to put that right there and just kind of line it up. And all of it is going to be different sizes, because like I said, this is going to be like a collage mood board. So yeah, so I pretty much have the aesthetic stacked. So right now I'm just going to just start putting different things on there. Yeah, so I'm just speeding through this process. I have a few like outfit out inspos, what I want for like outfits, and then different things. So yeah, now I'm just adjusting it to make how I want it to be. That's pretty much it. So that is roughly what it looks like at the end. Well, yeah, that is what it looks like at the end. So what we're going to do now is download it. The best way to download it is to I just use what they suggest, and that's going to be in PNG. They say it gives the highest quality, so that's what I'm going to go with. So now that we have downloaded it, I'm just going to open up the download, like so. I don't know why I'm taking so long, but yeah. So right there, I'm opening up the download, and from there, I am going to save it to my photos. So you see the photo icon is kind of opening up. So we're going to minimize this really quick, close that out really quick. Now we're going to go to System Preferences, and we're going to go to Desktop and Screensaver. So from there, we're just going to go to Photos. I'll scroll all the way down, and that is your screensaver. Not screensaver, wallpaper. So that is what your wallpaper looks like. I personally like it. I think it's really, really cool. I don't really like my menu bar being as big as it is, so I'm just minimizing it. Not my menu bar, my taskbar. Yeah, that. I didn't want it to be as big, and now I'm just moving it around to see if I like it on the side or in the middle. I still like it in the middle. And then I think I changed my top menu bar to only being seen when I hover over it. So that's what I'm about to do. I know I haven't did it yet, but that's what I'm telling you, that's what I'm about to do. I'm just taking my dear sweet time doing it, I suppose. All right. So, as you can see, that is the thing right there. But for some reason, that is kind of bothering me. Right here, it's kind of overlapping. I don't know. Now that I'm looking at it, it's not really overlapping, but at the time it looked like it was overlapping to me. So I'm just going to go back into Canva and kind of fix it again. And while I'm here, I'm going to make sure I fix everything that I feel like might be overlapping, just in case, because I don't want to go back in there and do it again. Um, so yeah, I'm just double checking everything. That was me minimizing the screen to check to see if I see anything else that was overlapping. that I might want to fix. And I think I might fix the YouTube plaque before this is all said and done. I think. I'm not entirely sure. Nope, I don't. Alright, so I save that. And then there's fit to screen, and then there's fill to screen, and then a whole bunch of options of how you want it to look. And then if you click on the color, you can actually have like that, and then a different color background, which I think is really cool. And this is kind of what I was doing to show you guys like what your background could look like. If you don't want the full thing, if you feel like it's a little busy, you could do it this way as well. And you can make it as light or as dark as you want. Yeah. So this is what I end up picking. I end up going back to the full screen, but I'm just showing you guys like that's pretty much what I do. So that is pretty much it, you guys. That is how I create my wallpaper. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 18. Holy crap. All right. See you guys tomorrow.